Do you have an older dishwasher that you still like, but in the middle of cycle you get the flashing red light? In this video I show you how to fix your dishwasher back to work normally. Easy, inexpensive, and quick. No matter what kind of dishwasher you own, one of the common problems is flashing red light halfway through the cycle. What to do and what is the most common problem that you can fix yourself. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to fix it. Make sure you turn your breaker off because we're going to be working with electricity here and we don't need any problems. We don't want to get anybody getting hurt. After you turn the power off, you're going to need the Phillips screwdriver and you're going to loosen the screws around. It could be several. After you loosen the back screws, the panels, the front panel should come off. You squeeze this in here and lift the cover. You're looking at the brain of your dishwasher. This is the motherboard. And one of the most common problems that these dishwashers have is this little item right here. It's called thermal sensor, or fuse. I've replaced several of those in the past, and I suspect the reason my dishwasher is not working properly again is bad fuse. So I'm gonna show you how to replace that, and hopefully that should fix your problem. So this comes off pretty easy. Can I connect it here? And just sort of pulls out. This particular fuse is rated, I don't know if I can show that. It's rated at 150, which is actually not the original. I think that my original fuse was rated at 85 watts or something, and once I discovered that was the problem, my son-in-law suggested that I should buy a fuse with a higher wattage. So I did. So here I happen to have a new one. They come in little different shapes. You might have to bend these connectors in order to fit. This bracket we might not even need. But that is a new fuse, and I'm gonna try to put this in and turn it on and see what it does. So you insert your, should kind of snap pretty easily. You have your two connectors. Push those in. Okay. And now I'm gonna put the cover back on. I'm gonna need two hands to do that, but so after you put your cover back on, you're gonna close all this, take your screws in the back and screw them back together, and we'll turn it on and see what happens. Okay, I think I only have two screws to hold this. I think I lost a few in the process over the years, but use as many as you have, more the better. Okay, I secured it the best I could with the two screws that I have. I might end up putting another one if I find it. Okay, so the front plate is back on. We're gonna close it securely. Turn the fuse back on, the house fuse, and see what happens. Now the light is flashing, so we would have to run the whole cycle. So we're gonna cancel this one. And when this process finishes, I'm gonna start it over again just to make sure that it works. All right, There you go, guys. Green light is back on. All is well. Dishwasher is fixed again. Yeah. If you like this video, click on my subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Take care.